Hey friends, today is March 31st. Happy Easter. Yeah, I'm just walking around, had a coconut. Yeah, nothing much. Probably gonna leave Surat soon. If not today, then tomorrow for sure. Just a random dog sitting in the elevator, laying down, chilling. So I booked a ticket for tomorrow to Udaipur. I'm leaving on a night bus, not completely night. It leaves like 8:30 p.m. Yeah, I'm gonna arrive like 6:30. It costed only 700. There was one more like 12, but I don't know. Like 8:30 is okay. Yeah, so I got insurance also. I bought insurance today. Yeah. If I didn't say Happy Easter in the morning, so Happy Easter, guys. Yeah, I'm gonna go out for dinner. Didn't do much today, but I enjoy this area. Like, it's not super crowded, and like I said before, it has a lot of places to eat. Like, everything's here. Like, all the things you need, like food, like you want coffee, you want chai, you want like maybe no clothes, but you want a haircut, you want like pharmacy, you want just a shop, you want like fruit, you want like anything, like pizza, South Indian food, like everything's here, and it looks like a good area, like, yeah. So this place is nice. Yo, so I just had dinner. I can show you how much I spent today. Like, basically just eating and just staying, chilling, relaxing. So I hope you see it. So the room cost 1,200. I had a coconut. It was 60. Usually it's like 50, from 30 to 70 max. I think the cheapest I paid was like 25. So yeah, coconut, a huge one, like I said. And then I had an omelet for 50. Then I had like paneer palau. It was very good, like rice, cashew nuts, and paneer. Yeah, then I had 2 milk teas, like in a period of time. So one was 20, it was a big one, and one was 2 in one, like, so double. So that's also 20. So you can say even like 4 milk teas, Then I have now. I didn't yet eat it. I'm gonna show you fruit. Like, it's like almost like half a kilo of fruit. And then I had, for 156, I had one masala dosa for 90. And it has like this street food. I don't know how is it called, but it's basically a lot of chips and crackers, and it's all mixed together with peanuts. It's okay, but I didn't finish it. It like feel not super like healthy and stuff. But yeah. And that was 156 including buttermilk. So yeah, I can add like one more buttermilk because I paid 15 for buttermilk here. So in total it's 1,771. So yeah, I don't know, is it a good price or not a good? Let's count in euros. Like 91, almost 20 euros. This room, AC, everything. Of course didn't show you all the meals. I don't know, it just feels kind of awkward filming my food all the time. But yeah, maybe I'll show you more of the Indian dishes. Yeah, so 20 euros per day. I don't know, it's okay. I think if you include transport, And some sightseeing, like if you need to pay for tickets, I think 30 euro. Yeah, 30 euro. So that's like 1,000 per month. I wouldn't say it's that bad. Um, you probably could get like a cheaper hotel also if you share with friends like we did. We were like paying sometimes 500, 400 per head. But you need a share, so that's also like kind of, you don't have that much privacy. But yeah. Yeah, so this is all the fruit I have, like for 80 rupees. I would say not bad. I like dragon fruit, kiwi, papaya. I don't know what exactly is this, but it's very sugary. I think it's, forgot the name, but I had it before. Yeah, and like apples. Yeah.